Most people get this wrong when tracking an Amazon package. They keep refreshing the order page without understanding what the tracking updates actually mean. Here's the truth no one tells you. Amazon provides much more tracking information than most customers realize. And if you know where to look, you can find your package faster and avoid unnecessary stress. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to track your Amazon package in 2026, understand common tracking statuses, and know what to do if your order appears stuck. By the end, you'll be able to follow your package from the warehouse all the way to your doorstep. Let's start with the fastest method. Open the Amazon app or website and sign into your account. Go to your orders and find the item you want to track. Under the order, select Track Package. This page shows the latest shipping updates, estimated delivery date, and sometimes even a map of your driver's location when the package is close to delivery. But here's the problem. Many people see a tracking status and don't know what it means. For example, shipped means the package has left the fulfillment center. Out for delivery means it's on a local delivery vehicle. Delayed in transit usually means the carrier experienced an unexpected delay. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Some Amazon orders are delivered by third-party carriers like UPS, USPS, FedEx, or regional delivery services. If that's the case, Amazon often provides a tracking number. Clicking that tracking number may reveal more detailed updates directly from the carrier. This is where most people fail. They assume a package is lost after one delayed update. In reality, tracking information can sometimes take several hours, or even a full day to refresh. Waiting for the next update often solves the mystery. In a minute, I'll show you what to do if tracking stops completely. If your package hasn't updated for several days, check the carrier's website directly using the tracking number. You can also review your Amazon email notifications for any delivery exceptions or address verification requests. Another useful tip is enabling delivery notifications in the Amazon app. This gives you real-time alerts whenever your package moves to the next shipping stage. If the package is significantly overdue, contact Amazon customer service through the help section. Provide the order number and explain the issue. Amazon can investigate the shipment and may offer a replacement or refund when appropriate. To recap, go to your orders, select Track Package, understand the tracking statuses, check carrier updates when available, and contact support if the package becomes overdue. These simple steps help you stay informed and avoid confusion. If this guide helped you track your Amazon package, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with your favorite Amazon shopping tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.